Welcome to today's tutorial on how to disable in-app notifications for mentions in saved pins on Pinterest using your PC. If you're looking to reduce distractions and streamline your Pinterest experience, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and go to pinterest.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. This is essential as you need access to your settings. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look to the left side menu of the screen. Here you'll find a gear icon, which represents the settings. Click on that gear icon to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Pinterest account. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section on the left side of the screen. Click on it to access all notification options available for your account. In the Notifications section, scroll down until you find pins you saved. Under this category, locate mentions. This is where you can control notifications specifically related to mentions in your saved pins. To disable these in-app notifications, simply click on the toggle next to mentions. This will turn off all in-app notifications related to mentions, allowing you to enjoy a quieter Pinterest experience without constant alerts. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial as it ensures that all your changes are applied and that you won't receive any more notifications for mentions in your saved pins. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled in-app notifications for mentions in saved pins on Pinterest. Enjoy a more focused browsing experience without unnecessary distractions. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on managing your social media effectively.